was a highwayman. Along the coach roads I did ride.
So we just got checked out of school. Yep. And then me and my buddy going to Alabama River. And we are going to do some bass fishing and brim fishing. So, so now we're about 5 minutes away.
Oh, he's getting crickets.
Wow. Okay, so we're about 5 minutes away from getting to the Alabama River. We're going to do some big fishing today. It is exactly 2:42. Will you get your finger out of my face?
Look at those big trucks coming by.
Who cares about that right now? Okay. Alright, so, yeah. Hopefully we'll get us a lot of brim. Hopefully we'll catch some bass. I've been hoping we would. We came here 2 weeks ago. I wasn't able to get a video. Yeah, I did. And, I didn't catch a bass. I didn't even throw my bait caster.
Is he going to back up into us?
I don't know, is he? Wow. He's going to back up into us. No, he's not. Okay. So, he didn't back up into us.
We got lucky.
Yeah.
Pray that we don't get thrown out of the boat and die because of an alligator.
Are you kidding me, Chance? You really have to say that, man. Okay. Oh, yeah, you have to tell them your name, Chance, and your YouTube channel you are putting out.
My name is Chance Thornton. My middle name is Hunter. And my monster name is Shred.
Wow, okay.
And my YouTube channel is One Rod, One Gun Outdoors, and I'm doing hunting and fishing and snorkeling.
Sounds good, Chance. Go subscribe to that channel. I'll be on it a little bit. I'll be doing some snorkeling. So yeah. If you haven't subscribed yet to my channel, man, that's just crazy. That's just crazy. I mean, you've been watching like 4 videos, and you still haven't subscribed. I can't do it anymore. Just subscribe, please. I just can't do it anymore. So, yeah. Wish us luck. And
we'll do a small time lapse for you.
No, we can't. That is a riddle in the neck. Yeah, I have a fever blister. It hurts. I got a flu shot yesterday.
There's your dad.
Who cares? I got a flu shot yesterday, and my arm is killing me. It still hurts. I don't know why, but it still hurts.
Small time lapse.
It feels like a bruise. And that guy's getting him some crickets. So, yeah. I like my drink. I like Coca-Cola vanilla. It's some good stuff. But, yeah. So, we'll see you in about 5 minutes. And
here's our time lapse.
So now we're at Alabama River. We are here. I'm going to show you the view real quick. This is a great view. Okay, here it is.
View is amazing.
It's a pretty nice view. It's really nice. So yeah, we're here. And so, okay. In about 30 minutes, we're going to go fishing. See you then. And Chance, brim fishing right now. We haven't caught a lot, but we're going to catch a couple. We're in a little slough right now. So, yeah. I'm not doing too good right now. Maybe later. So, I'll be videoing a lot more later, so see you then. Alright, so Chance is going to try to get him a brim. See? What you doing, man? Nice little hook.
Got him. Gonna take it. Put it right through his heart. Gonna get him. Oh, look at that big old fish that jumped. That big old fish jumped. Me and Trent saw him.
I think one's got mine. No. You got a hook on them. I'm sucking on a Jolly Rancher.
Me? No, I'm not.
I am.
Patient makes perfect. Oh, you missed. How did you miss it?
I don't know, but I got it.
Got him.
You got him one. Chance, you video me for a second? He gets one more cast, then he's got a video of me.
There's a big old cyclist.
Oh. That's a nice one.
Put that thing in.
Alright, a video of me.
I'm gonna try to catch you.
Good goose, Chance. This is my honey hole.
Put that down.
Where is Mom? Get one?
Yep.
Got him one. Oh, yeah, it's a nice one.
Look at it.
What was that, though?
Oh! There's a bass behind him. There's a bass behind him. That's why I just jumped out of the water.
Alright, get him on in here.
Look how big this shellcracker is, huh? Did something jump in the boat?
I want you guys to see what we just pulled into the boat at 11 o'clock at night. 50-pounder catfish. 50 pounds. Let me I'm videoing this.
Lord have mercy.
Look at that.
You ever seen that big old head come out of that tree? Then that tree
That's a
top was
geese.
fishing.
What do you say about that? What do you say about that?
Pretty cool.
Dude, we got another blue one.
He wouldn't have been there in the morning. He's all scratched up on the side.
I'm pumped up.
Can't pull me close.
We had a really good fishing day. Oh, jeez.
Hold on, boys. Hold on. He'll get on. Oh, he'll go. We get him out of the boat.
He's nice.
You need to take
Nice. Oh, man. Look at Chance, what do you got to say about that?
That was fun. I didn't really think we were
Yeah,
going to
it was
catch
real
a
fun.
big fish. Hey, Trent, get the small one.
We got him by a tree.
Hey, get the
I pulled
small
him in. I pulled him in a little bit, and I felt the yank.
one. No, that was me. I got him in the dip net.
No, you got him in the
I
dip net.
got the noodle with the
I
dip net. And then
I pulled on that line, and I felt a yank. I said, Chance, we got something.
when you
we got a
saw
stud,
that head come out of the water, we thought it was like a little itty bitty, and
big.
then that head.
So,
I was.
Stayed in the boat.
He jumped in the boat. We got lucky he didn't break.
Yeah.
He's bailing.
it's 11, 18.
You get you some pictures, Trent?
I'm getting me a video right now.
On this dock.
Yeah, I got.
If we can get him out of
See you in a minute. Okay. So we are in the tent. I'm ill. I'm tired. It's 12:33 in the morning. Been a good fishing day today. We got a lot of brim. We got 50-pound catfish, a 20-pound flathead, and we got a 20-pound blue catfish. I'm tired. So. Thanks for watching part one of Gargantuan Fishing 24. Oh yeah. Tomorrow will be part 2. So yeah. That's all. So, thanks for tuning in to Gargantuan Fishing 24.